new way to make money with NFTs and passive income. With the developing digitalization, a popular crypto pattern is moving along. Also, that is NFTs, non-fungible tokens. NFTs are going viral all around the web. Through this, many makers and financial backers have made noteworthy figures that have, in a real sense, completely changed them. In this video, we will see how you can make money with NFTs as a beginner. So, if you are ready to make money with NFTs, then make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more such awesome content. What are NFTs? Before we move further with the different methods to bring in cash, how about we understand what NFTs are? NFTs are recognized as collectible digital resources that convey value as digital currency and/or artistry. Defining NFTs as non-fungible tokens, NFTs resemble Bitcoin and Ethereum in many ways. However, it is a very futuristic or non-fungible sort of cryptocurrency that cannot be traded. The main feature of NFTs is that they are designed to hold more data, pass clean money, and enter the space. Different restricting sections are used to organize NFTs. Additionally, they might be framed in contemporary fine art or music recordings that are skillfully placed and can represent value. For instance, instead of receiving a genuine oil painting on the material, you will receive a JPEG record. The rise of NFTs. NFTs started off with 69.3 million deals, which broke all over the internet and changed the point of view of individuals towards these advanced collectibles. Today, various individuals are continuing ahead with NFTs. They are purchasing, selling, and putting tons to get extravagant results. With such monstrous fame of these crypto NFTs, individuals are exploring it all the more energetically. Also, on that note, we have introduced this article conveying every one of the necessary data and approaches to bring in cash from NFTs. The world is developing and staying aware of it. You should be clever and progress with it. A few important things you need to know about NFTs before talking about the profit-making stage. What gives NFT value? Actually, the value of an NFT is driven by consumer interest, just like the components in our hypothetical artisan selection. The extraordinary and base of interest buyers affect their value, similar to when exchanging cards. Even a photo can be converted into an NFT. This does not prevent the photo from being freely shared. However, the blockchain does clearly reveal who owns the resource. How can I buy an NFT? However, by far the majority of places where you can buy and sell NFTs need you to use cryptographic money. A few stages do allow the use of visas. You must prepare a wallet for your preferred form of currency. One well-known platform that enables users to create wallets for free is blockchain.com. You can purchase the money directly around its fairly assessed worth after having your character checked on one of these stages. When you have a sizable amount of a well-known currency such as Bitcoin, it is a good time to look at a closeout site. All things considered, OpenSea is a well-known general store for NFTs. It resembles online marketplaces like eBay, where gatherers' goods are sold. You can make crafts that are moderately advanced, especially your own. For people unfamiliar with digital currency, this is important. When using cryptographic money to look at, there will be a fee. The cost varies, depending on what the money is used for and how congested the blockchain is at the moment. Let's move forward and figure out how to get money from NFTs. So be prepared to get the exact information that you need to get rich. Number 9. Generate royalties. Selling NFTs goes hand in hand with royalties, which are one of the market's most fascinating components. The original author can choose their own royalty rate during the minting process. Therefore, any sales on the secondary market will result in payment to them. The majority of NFT royalty rates are set at 5 or 10%. However, some are higher. The creator receives passive money anytime the most expensive NFTs are sold because many of them include embedded royalty percentages. In order to keep these assets appealing to potential investors, certain NFT marketplaces would cap royalties, often at around 10%. To maximize the royalty process, authors must make sure their NFT collections are worthwhile investments. Setting royalties is pointless if the NFT will only be purchased once. Hence, incorporating special use cases or perks into NFT ownership is essential to generate a profitable revenue stream. Number 8. Making and selling NFTs. In case you are a type of maker or craftsman, and you require any of your work to adapt, so at that point, you can use them as NFTs. Fundamentally, you make something and sell it as NFTs. Through this, you will build your pay. You can make unique images, music, sound bites, computerized workmanship, or some other. This is an extraordinary opportunity for you to build your pay through your work as NFTs. To sell your NFTs in a commercial center, you'll need to find them in your assortment. Click on them and search for the Sell button. Clicking this button will take you to a valuing page where you can characterize the states of the deal, including whether to run a closeout or sell at a proper cost. Ether and other ERC20 tokens are the most well-known digital forms of money you can sell your NFTs for. In any case, a few stages just help the local badge of the blockchain they were based upon. VIV3, for instance, is a Flow blockchain commercial center and just acknowledges Flow tokens. Number 7. NFTs stake. In crypto, you can securely keep your advanced resources as a stake and distribute them to just the people who will deal with their upkeep. As a result, you will receive a share of the stake as compensation. By doing this, you can earn a ton of rewards and participate in activities on numerous reputable websites simply by marking your NFTs. Just to let you know, NFT cultivating is an arising idea that includes marking NFTs for a prize or marking tokens for an NFT as an award. It's the consolidation of NFT innovation and decentralized money. So picture NFT cultivating like yield cultivating, yet rather it includes NFTs as either a prize or the marked token. Number 6. Exchanging NFTs. Among the various ways, exchanging NFTs is very famous. You can very easily exchange NFTs by selling and getting them in agreements with other collectors. Some people who played it smart and exchanged the right NFTs have actually made thousands of dollars just by having the right knowledge of which NFTs to collect. Although all NFTs don't come out with the partner, as some of them hold a value much higher than $1 million, while some are just about as great as useless. That is the reason before beginning with your NFTs, you need to do a careful examination on where to exchange and how. Number 5. NFTs games. NFTs additionally accompany different games with trend-setting innovation. Despite the fact that NFTs games aren't overly well known, they will grow quickly given their enormous potential. The amount of money that players invest in virtual gaming is enormous. If any gaming company sells their anticipated game as an NFT, both gamers and gaming companies will greatly gain from this. It is well known that several NFTs games designers have a strong desire for non-fungible tokens. Its in-game goods are really intriguing and take into consideration the future of the full non-fungible innovation. NFTs games portray a fantastic near future with significant innovation. Simply put, this is as interesting as it gets. Number 4. Get into NFTs new businesses. NFTs are well known to have several applications in a select few organizations that have the potential to alter the course of history. In this way, investing in any of the NFT's new businesses is a wildly absurd way to make money from the cryptocurrency held by the NFT. New firms created by NFTs are growing quickly, showing that they may be both incredibly inventive and fruitful. Spending money on these would have extraordinary results for you because of this. Number 3. Computerized artworks. The most well-known and significant non-fungible tokens created to date in terms of productivity are individual NFT fine arts. When a bartering house sold exquisite art for a precarious $69 million on March 11, 2021, the historical context of blockchain and craftsmanship underwent a huge upheaval. This was the first fully advanced piece of art that the closeout business had ever unloaded. NFTs grant the craftsman the right of possession to such an extent that when you create a computerized resource, you are prepared to demonstrate its authenticity and reap the rewards of your labor. If you choose to become an image maker, you will support the process. NFTs are a cutting-edge breakthrough for artisans, if you look at it from that perspective. Now that's something cool, isn't it? Number 2. Fashion design NFTs. In this way, NFTs handle authenticity issues and eliminate the possibility of fakes, much like craftsmanship. Clothing and fashion companies are increasingly benefiting from the NFT trend by offering a digitally restricted version of their clothing with a variety of recognizable big-name accessories or brand insignia. The clothing and fashion brands can also profit from NFT development by creating an NFT commercial hub for their apparel and accessories. As a result, they can generate an endless stream of income from NFTs in a safe and prosperous environment. Number 1. Authorized collectibles. It seems like tokenizing collectibles is the most straightforward way to manage them, and is among the finest specialization uses of NFTs. People that currently manage actual collectibles like trinkets, souvenirs, trading cards, and other items in the area just need to sell items equivalent to advanced resources. The collectibles' value may actually be larger than the value of their actual companions, thanks to NFT's capacity to demonstrate exceptionally. Sports cards have thus far been the most well-known collectibles. The game's card initiative initially only allowed the trading of official footballer cards. As of right now, the National Basketball Association, or NBA as we know it, has also distributed its own set of NFT cards. The likelihood that other games will follow the same pattern is high, and assortments will offer a wider selection of game NFTs for purchase. Numerous publications demonstrate that NFTs won't vanish very soon. Rich financial supporters are pouring money into them, so it is likely that they will become more widespread. Let us know which section of the video was your favorite, and make sure to share it with all your friends who are ready to start making money with NFTs. We'll see you next time. Until then, happy earning!